Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Sirita Collections. Diecast miniature bike collection. These all are 1:1 to scale. I will show you long view. These all are 1:1 to. I will explain each model bike with name. This is Harley Davidson 750 model number, Street 750. All bikes are free wheel. You can see the suspension and handle moves, and there will be a side stand. This is BMW 1200 1:1 to scale. This stand will be bit different. You can see here. Okay, all are free wheel. This bike handle also moves slightly. Okay, let's go to the next bike. This is Kawasaki Z900. This is most selling bike. I mean, fast selling bike. So many huge fans are there for this bike. For all bikes, you can see the suspension and the wheeling. It is a good decor for a table, office table, and it is very best product to give gifts to diecast collectors. This is Augusta 1:1 to scale. All bikes will be with free wheel, and the finishing detailing was really excellent. Every bikes there will be a side stand, and the mirrors like real mirrors. You can see the detailing closely, the finishing. This KTM 1290 is really tough to find nowadays, and only few we are having this model. 1:1 to scale. You can see the bike handle, wheeling, suspension. Really excellent one. This one, Royal Enfield and KTM, Kawasaki are very fast selling bikes. KTM Duke 690 1:1 to scale. Kawasaki 900. Kawasaki Z900 RS. Suzuki R600. 1:1 to scale. This is the stand. Royal Enfield. So many people dream bike. What are the bikes I'm showing? There is no color option. Please note. This was the last bike, Kawasaki Ninja. Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. This was highly rich look and awesome. See this one. Really amazing. I loved it. Tell your opinion in comment section which bike was good and which one was your favorite one. Mine was KTM and Ninja. Hope all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.